Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss Quarter 2, Week 2 in Mathematics 9, entitled Joint Variation and Combined Variation. The most essential learning competencies are: illustrate situations that involve the following variations: joint and combined. Next, we will translate into variation statement a relationship between two quantities given by a mathematical equation. And we will solve problems involving joint and combined variation. Let's have a short activity. The direction is: translate the following statements into mathematical equations using K as the constant of variation. Number 1, T varies directly as A and inversely as B. You have 5 seconds to answer. The correct answer is T is equal to KA over B. How about number 2? Y varies directly as X and inversely as the square of B. You have 5 seconds to answer. Okay, the correct answer is Y is equal to KX over B squared. How about number 3? We have Y varies jointly as X and Z. Your 5 seconds starts now. Okay, the correct answer is Y is equal to KXA. Since you already know how to translate the given statement into mathematical sentence using K as the constant of variation, let us now define joint variation. Let X, Y, and Z denote three quantities. Y varies jointly as X and Z if there is some positive constant K such that Y is equal to KXZ. The number K is called the constant of variation. To fully understand, let's have an example. Example number 1, find an equation of variation in which Y varies jointly as X and Z, and Y is equal to 45 when X is equal to 18 and Z is equal to 10. Find Y when X is equal to 20 and Z is equal to 30. So, ang unang gagawin natin dito ay isulat ang equation ni joint variation. Si Y is equal to KXZ. Sunod, substitute natin yung value ni Y na 45 na makikita natin sa problem. Equals, kopyahin si K since si K yung hinahanap natin. Substitute yung value ni X which is 18 at yung value ni Z which is 10. Next, kopyahin ulit natin si 45. Equals, and then si K. Yan, simplify natin si 18 at si 10. So, 18 times 10, it is equal to 180. So, para makuha natin si K, para matira si K, kailangan nating i-divide both sides by 180. So, makakancel na siya. Natira si K equals 45 divided by 180 is equal to 1/4. Ngayon, meron na tayong value ni K na kung tawagin ay constant of variation. Since meron na tayong constant of variation, ngayon magkakaroon na rin tayo ng equation of variation. Paano? Substitute lang natin yung value ni k sa original equation. So, sulat natin ulit si y is equal to, so from k, ang isusulat na natin ngayon ay 1/4 since nahanap na natin ang value ni k. And then, kopyahin si x and z. Therefore, that will be our equation of variation. Now, to solve for y, kopyahin lang natin yung equation of variation natin, which is y is equal to 1/4 times x and z. So, substitute natin yung value ni x at ni z since dito ang hinahanap na natin ay si y. So, kopyahin natin. And then, substitute natin yung value ni x, which is 20. Value ni z, which is 30. Kopyahin ulit natin si y equals 1/4. And then, 20 times 30, it is equal to 600. Now, we will simplify 1/4 times 600. So, kopyahin natin si y equals 150. Therefore, y is equal to 150 when x is equal to 20 and z is equal to 30. Now, let us move on with the combined variation. So, kay combined variation, let x, y, and z denote three quantities. Y varies directly as x and inversely as z if there is some positive constant k such that y is equal to kx over z. The number k is the constant of variation. So, para mas maintindihan, tignan natin yung pangalawang example. Find an equation of combined variation where y varies directly as x and inversely as z. One set of values is y is equal to 4, x is equal to 6, and z is equal to 3. Find y when x is equal to 15 and z is equal to 10. So, kailangan muna nating hanapin ang value ni k. Sulat natin ang equation ni combined variation, which is y is equal to kx over z. So, kunin natin yung first set of values ni y, ni x, at ni z. Substitute natin doon sa given equation. Ang value ni y ay 4. Makikita nyo dyan sa problem natin. Equals, so sulat natin si k since siya yung hinahanap. Value ni x, which is 6. And then, value ni z, which is 3. We will apply cross multiplication. So, it becomes 6k because ang denominator ni 4 ay laging 1. So, 6k times 1 is equal to 6k equals 4 times 3 is 12. Now, we will divide both sides by 6 para makuha natin ang value ni k. So, k is equal to 12 divided by 6. The answer is 2. Now, meron na tayong value ni k. Ngayon, iyon na yung constant of variation natin. Next, mahanap na natin yung equation of variation. Sulat natin yung original equation na y is equal to, so imbis na si k, isusulat na natin yung value niya, which is 2. Kopyahin natin si x at si z. Therefore, that will be our equation of variation. Next, we will solve for y when x is equal to 15 and z is equal to 10. So, sulat natin yung equation of variation na nakuha natin, which is y is equal to 2x over z. Sumunod, kopyahin ulit natin si y, and then si 2. Sunod, substitute natin yung value ni x which is 15, and then yung value ni z which is 10. So, kopyahin ulit natin si y equals, simplify muna natin yung numerator. So, we have 2 times 15, the answer is 30. Kopyahin si denominator na 10. Ngayon, simplify na natin. 30 divided by 10, it becomes y is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of y is 3 when x is equal to 15 and z is equal to 10. So remember, in solving problems involving joint and combined variation, the first thing you need to do is to find the constant of variation o yung value ni k. After nating mahanap yung value ni k, magkakaroon na tayo ngayon ng equation of variation na kung saan isinubstitute natin yung value ni k doon sa original equation. Then, you will able to solve for the unknown quantity. So that's all for today. I hope you learn a lot. For our references, we have Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye!